Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete old Instagram account without password, email, and phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Instagram app or go to the Instagram website. Try using the forgot password option to recover your account using any recovery method you still have access to. If you can't recover the account, go to search bar and search for your account. Once you've found your account, click on the three dots on the profile and select Report from the available options. Then choose They're pretending to be someone else and select Me if the account is genuinely impersonating you. Follow the remaining prompts, such as selecting something else if that best matches your situation, and then submit your report. Now you just have to report your account from 4 to 5 different accounts in Instagram, and eventually Instagram will delete this account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can delete old Instagram account without password, email, and phone number. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.